एक साहब निकले, मैंने उनसे कहा मैं 3 दिन से भूखा हूं, मुझे खाने को दे दीजिए।
तो फिर आपको खाने को कुछ दिया?
पता है क्या कहा? उसने कहा तुम फकीर हो? मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं सफेद पोश हूं। उसने कहा तुम अगर फकीर होते, भिखारी होते, तो मैं तुमको खाना दे देता। सफेद पोशों का मैं यकीन नहीं करता। तुम झूठ बोलते हो।
देखिए बीबी, एक वक्त में एक ही तलवार कमाल में रह सकती।
देखिए, मैं बेबस साज हाथ जोड़कर आपसे दरखास्त करती हूँ, मेरी बेटी का जहेज मुझे बरामद करा दें।
आप जिसकी तरफ इशारा करें, मैं उससे चोरी का इतराफ तो करा सकता हूँ, लेकिन माल बरामद कराना जरा मुश्किल है।
मेरा फोन आएगा।
और अगर गाने के दौरान आ गए तो?
वो मैं हैंडल कर लूँ।
अच्छा, फिर शुरू करें।
अच्छा जी, मैं आपकी खिदमत में एक फिल्मी गाना पेश करता हूँ।
प्लीज।
माहिर दिल हूँ, ये गाना मेरी अक्कासी करता है। हेलो जी, एंजॉय ना भाई, जबान के नीचे गोली रख लो, आराम आ जाएगा, ब्लड प्रेशर भी कम हो जाएगा। जी हाँ जी हाँ, अभी जरा होल्ड कर, मैं बिजी हूँ। हाँ।
ओए ओए ओए, दिल धड़के मैं कैसे कहूँ, कहता है मेरा कंपाउंडर शुक्रिया, हो कहता है मेरा कंपाउंडर शुक्रिया। होए होए होए, तुम मेरी क्लिनिक के कमरे में आए, वो बन के निडर शुक्रिया, हो आए वो बन के निडर शुक्रिया। होए होए होए, दिल धड़के।
हेलो, क्या आराम नहीं है अभी तक? अरे भाई, एक गोली जो है जबान के ऊपर भी रख लो। हाँ हाँ, अभी होल्ड करो, मैं जरा बिजी हूँ। हाँ।
अभी तक तेरी रूह बेचैन है, अभी तक तेरा दिल है बेताब सा, ये मानो तुम सामने चल बगर है चेहरा तुम्हारा मेरे बाप सा। पल भर में जहाँ की गमों से तुम्हें कर दूंगा मैं बेखबर शुक्रिया, ओ कहता है मेरा कंपाउंडर शुक्रिया। होए होए होए, दिल धड़के मैं कैसे कहूँ, कहता है मेरा कंपाउंडर शुक्रिया, हो कहता है मेरा कंपाउंडर शुक्रिया, हो कहता है मेरा कंपाउंडर शुक्रिया।
In recognition of his significant contribution, the government of Pakistan awarded him the Pride of Performance. Latif Kapadia was always surrounded by singers, composers, writers, painters, and whoever got to know him all agreed on his warm and loving personality. He always helped others. Seemed like his mission in life. To continue this mission, his son Ahmad, along with his family and friends, set up a trust to serve the poor in healthcare and education. To briefly introduce our efforts, here's the chairman of the trust.
Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Let me take this opportunity to welcome you all and thank you for taking time and effort for this noble cause. Latif Kapadia Memorial Trust is an organization working purely for quality health and education for the poor. We initiated on the health side, launched MediHealth, inshallah very soon you'll see our first documentary. It will give you a fairly good perspective on how we are effectively running the clinic.
Ho is always small in the beginning. MediHealth started its operations on 24th of September 2007 in a close-knit and densely populated community at Shah Faisal, one of the poor areas in the city of Karachi. It is the first project of Lateef Kapadia Memorial Welfare Trust. Lateef Sahib, a well-known and respected actor, was a passionate man, always helping others. The MediHealth project was formed to do just that, helping others. In consultation with experienced architects and doctors, this clinic was designed for best possible use of space and managing patients with ease. The core focus of the trust is health and education. And education is an essential part of a healthy community. MediHealth, a primary healthcare unit, has well-trained professionals. The unit carries a doctor, a male paramedic, as well as a female paramedic, and a dispenser, along with administrative staff. This is how MediHealth's responsibilities are structured. Clean sheets, equipment set, shining floors. MediHealth waited all prepared and ready. The first patient walked in on the third day after the opening. Staff did not lose hope, carried on. 4 months later, had registration of over 1,000 patients. Let us take you through the OPD procedure. Patient arrives, comes or is guided to the reception where registration takes place. A file and a card with patient's registration number is issued from here. TPR room. The patient has to come here before seeing the doctor. Here, general readings such as blood pressure, weight, temperature, aches and pains, etc. are recorded on the patient's file for the doctor. TPR covers the rudimentary info to save doctor's valuable time, allowing him ample quality time to spend with the patient. After TPR, the patient comes to the doctor, where the doctor carefully examines the patient. At this stage, the patient looks and assesses the clinic. Doctor has to make sure that while dealing with these patients from poor communities, that their dignity and respect is not compromised at all. Once the doctor is through with the examination, he then prescribes according to the need. If medicine is required, the patient heads to our dispensary at MediHealth. Well stocked with a wide range of generic and branded medicine, which is provided to the patient absolutely free. And for additional care, the patient is led to our treatment area. This is where the primary care takes place. Attending wounds and sores, and if there is a need, then paramedics have the provision to do minor surgeries and stitching. There are patients who may require IV infusions, or when a child is upset and would not cooperate, the staff in the treatment area understands, as they are trained and prepared for all such situations. Throughout this process, the patient is carrying his or her file, and before leaving MediHealth, the file is returned back to its original place. In addition to our regular OPD, deserving people from the community are provided discreetly with food and clothing, and children toys. MediHealth people have been practicing this from day one. A day of free medical camp on bone strength was organized. Thanks to our donors, technicians on hand assessed and advised nearly 200 patients. The massive response indicated that this community is warming up to MediHealth. Winning the confidence of a community is a long and arduous process. Although it is a small beginning, a relationship is starting to form. A smile on a patient is a life source to our hope. And our hope is growing. We are looking at other areas in Karachi to set up more MediHealth units. If people continue their contribution and support, then there is no limit in finding communities to serve. Thank you.
Well, in less than 2 years, we have